Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Now we are geared up with the preliminary exam 2024. A good news for all of us that the Khan Study Group now launching a new exclusive program for the preliminary exam 2024, PT Destinaire 2024 from 29th of January. With the help of a group of very well-known faculty members in General Studies and CSAT. I will be dealing there with General Studies Geography part, with all the concepts, application and contemporary trend-based questions on geography we will discuss in the class. Our faculty member here includes for history Mr. Rashid sir, for environment Ashish Vasist ji, for economy Himanshu ji, for science and technology Rabi Agrahari, for polity Raja sir and Ankit sir, as well as for the CSAT part, two most important faculties Kapil sir and Sakil sir will take care of this entire spectrum of mathematics, quantitative aptitude as well as English part. Friends, the contemporary trend needs some input on current affairs as well as application orientation. Keeping in view all these things, this program is designed, and it is designed with a host of tests. Around 4100 MCQ will have, and a highly personalized monitoring systems and guiding system you are having, and hope that it will help you a lot. So happy to again invite you on behalf of Khan Study Group. Please do join, and it is a really one of the best program, well crafted, well designed program for this year preliminary exam. Thank you.